All right, recording now. Colin, put your shoes on. Colin, put them on. Okay, but for real, put your mask on. All right, so we're doing, I don't remember, did we do 3 examples last time?
Yeah, I think so.
So we're on example 4. We're going to do 3 more today. They're going to be kind of weird ones. So, all right. I want you to draw on your paper, and you're going to quickly find out that you're not very good at drawing. Maybe, or maybe you'll be like, I'm amazing. Draw a rectangle where the bottom says x plus 4 and the side says 5. And you're going to draw a triangle where the height is 2x minus 6 and the base is 12. And our challenge is writing and solving an equation that shows that these 2 areas are the same. Anybody think they remember the formula for the area of a rectangle or a triangle? Don't shout it out. If you remember, raise your hand. We'll see if you can, but you got to know both. We'll see if you can win a prize. Area of a rectangle and area of a triangle. I'll help you with the rest.
Wait, you have to know both to get a prize?
Yes. Grace?
The area of a rectangle is length times width.
Okay, so this we're going to call this one length and this one width here. So that is, I'm going to do length times width. We're trying to make them equal. All right, so this is the rectangle side. Okay, how about a triangle?
Base times height divided by 2.
Good, base times height divided by 2. I'm going to call that 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 times the base, which is 12, times the height, which is 2x minus 6. Everybody write this down. Go get a prize, Grace. Okay. So I'm going to help start this, and then I'm going to give somebody a prize for finishing it, but just for time's sake, I'm going to stay up here and you're just going to verbally explain it. That work?
Cool.
All right, so first thing I'm going to do is distribute the 5 to both, and I'm starting this problem because all of us could probably use a refresher after 4 days of turning off your brain. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What's 1/2 times 12? What's half of 12? 6. And then I'm going to distribute on this right side as well. So now I've got 5x plus 20 equals 12x minus 36. All right, and that's where I'm going to leave it. So go ahead and solve it right now. You're getting the x's on one side, the numbers on the other. Start moving stuff around. Try your best. The right answer, if you get it right, is 8. Eli, you want to put this side?
Where?
Sorry. People use it to open the door. Have I never had you do that? Here, lean it against the thing.
The what now?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Have I never had you open the door with a broom?
Not with the broom.
What? It's way fun.
Never.
Try it right now.
You have to see like
Smack it.
yeah.
Very nice. Oh, can you?
Oh.
Does he get a prize for that?
No.
Oh.
But it's wicked
I was
cool.
gonna say that was the prize right there.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun. People have gotten really good at it. Tanner Munt, who sits there, can also like just lean under his desk and kick it with his foot
He does
because
have a
he's
very long one.
so tall. I'm so jealous. I'd have to, like, literally, if I sat on the floor with my butt on the floor and reached my leg up, like, maybe I'd be able to do it. But if I got, like, a foot away, because my legs are stupid short. All right, we're looking for somebody who has an answer of x equals 8. Hands up.
Oh,
Be brave. You don't even have to come up here. You just have to explain to me what you did. 1, 2, 3. 1.
weird.
Kierden.
I did minus 5x on both sides.
Okay. So that's what? 20 equals 8x minus 36?
I got 7x.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
12
yeah.
minus 5 is 7. Come get a prize, Kierden. You're going to get 2 prizes in a row. Well, that was sad. Let's never talk about that again. All right, finish it up. I got 7 because that's what it is. Fair enough. Go
I
on.
got plus 36 on both sides.
Yep.
And then I got 56 equals 7x. And 56 minus 7.
Beautiful. Come get 2 prizes, ma'am. Yes?
So the part, I still got it right, part where I messed up on. Even though there was no like addition or subtraction sign in the 20, first I was gonna take 20 off, and then I was like, wait, no, 56 divided by 7 is 8, so it can't be minus 20 from 36, so then I just added it.
And you could have actually subtracted 20 onto this side, but then you would have ended up with negative 36 minus 20 is negative 56.
Yeah.
And the other side would have been negative 2. So you have to be careful about those negative signs, that's for sure. All right, we're going to do 2 more, and then we'll be done for the day. Example 5 is 7x plus 5 parentheses x minus 1 parentheses equals 12x minus 5. All right, now this problem is a problem. As in, like, it is a tricky problem. It is a trick solution. And I need somebody who's willing to just wing it with me and go for it and get a prize for winging it. Who's up for winging it? Come on, be brave. It's just going to just be like, let's just do it together. We'll figure it out together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5.
Want you to distribute it with the 5 first.
Yep. Brilliant so far.
And then plus 5 to both sides.
Okay. So now I've got 7x plus 5x equals 12x.
And then minus 5 from both sides.
Okay, minus 5x.
5x.
So now I've got 7x equals 7x, and 12 minus 5 is 7. Isn't that right, Kierden?
And then,
Are you seeing why this is getting confusing now?
yeah.
Yeah, how do we get rid of just a 7x? Not just the 7, but the 7x. Let's just subtract it. But now we end up with 0 equals 0. We don't even have a variable left. That's confusing, isn't it?
You can't put 0x.
No, because 0 times x is 0. 0 times anything is 0.
So our answer is x.
So your answer is actually infinite solutions. And let me explain why. So everybody write this down. Hey, it is exhausting to me to have people not writing it down who I know aren't going to remember this. It is infinite solutions if you end up with a number equals a number and no variable, and they are the same number. So it doesn't have to be 0 equals 0. It could also be like 3 equals 3 or 5 equals 5. In fact, any time that you actually have the same thing on both sides, you can stop and say infinite solutions. So we could have actually stopped here where it was 7x equals 7x and say infinite solutions. Because, like, let's suppose you plugged in 3 there. 7 times 3 is 21, and on the other side, 7 times 3 is 21. It doesn't matter. You could put in negative a million, and that would be 7 negative 7 million on the left side, negative 7 million on the right side. So either way, there's an infinite number of solutions because you could plug in anything and it would work. Tyler, go get a prize.
Wait, Kieran, did you read the last seven over? Isn't that times two?
No, I've got those left, but these will be times 2. Do you want to, I want to sign instead?
No.
Okay. All right. Example 6. We need to have a count up this week, right?
Yeah.
Let's plan that for, okay, Friday. Example 6, last one.
Ooh,
Yes, Connor.
I have a proposition.
Mm.
No.
Okay.
So,